Want to fix DStv Stream app not working on your phone? This video will show you the simple tricks to get your entertainment back. Let's dive in. First things first, the DStv Stream app not working usually stems from internet connectivity, app glitches, or account issues. Now, let's start with the basics. Check your internet connection. Ensure your phone has a strong and stable Wi-Fi or mobile data connection. Try opening a web browser to confirm internet access. Next, restart your phone. Power it off completely, wait for a few seconds, then power it back on. This can resolve minor software glitches. Also, restart your Wi-Fi router if you're on Wi-Fi. You'll also want to clear the DStv Stream app's cache and data. On Android, go to Settings greater than Apps, greater than DStv Stream, greater than Storage, greater than Clear Cache, then Clear Data. For iOS, you might need to uninstall and reinstall the app. This removes corrupted temporary files. Ensure your DStv Stream app is fully updated to the latest version. Outdated versions can have bugs or compatibility issues. Check your device's app store for any available updates. Finally, log out of the DStv Stream app and log back in. This refreshes your account session. If the problem persists, check the official DStv Stream social media or website for any reported service outages or maintenance. Also, ensure your device meets minimum compatibility requirements. If this helped you out, hit that like button, subscribe for more streaming tips, and let me know in the comments what you want to see next.